Hey guys, today I'm gonna try this light cuisine. It's the Korean style barbecue beef ball. It's got prime rib steak with shiitake mushrooms, edamame, peppers, scrambled eggs, kale, carrots, sesame seeds, and Korean style barbecue sauce. So we'll get the nutrition facts. And the ingredients. And the cooking instructions. These are regular $4.49 at Kroger. I think I got it on sale for $3.49. This is what it looks like. It's got some pretty big pieces of beef in there too, so that's good. Right, so I'm gonna take a bite. This should be a 5 out of 5. It looks and sounds good. But we'll see. Just bite on them steak. It's got steak. It's got a little bit of everything on it. It's not a piece of steak. The steak is really good. But the rest of it seems bland. I don't know what Korean barbecue sauce is, but it's not I guess American barbecue sauce. Don't have much flavor to it. Try to take one more bite. To me, it's got all these ingredients, but not enough flavor. So I'm gonna have to give this a 3.5 out of 5. Like I said, reading the box, I was excited. I thought it would be a 5 easily. The barbecue sauce barely has any flavor, and like I said, all the ingredients together don't have much flavor, but the steak is actually pretty good. You got 3.5 out of 5. I probably wouldn't pick this up again because it is costly. It's like $3.50 on sale, $4.50 regular price, and it don't have as much flavor for me. If it was down to like $2 to $5, I would probably pick it up, but not at the higher price. Alright guys, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and I'm out.